Hello everyone, I'm here with Meyer Motors, here to show you our 2021 GMC Sierra Elevation. This vehicle does have the 5.3 liter V8, it does have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto right there. Also below there you have your heated front seats, you have your park assist which you can turn on or off. Also you have auto stop start which you can turn on and off, your tailgate opener, and then this is your hazards, traction control, and then hill assist is right here. Also right down here is your trailer brake controller. If you take a look up here, you have your power sliding rear window, universal home remote for your garage door openers. And then over here, you do have your heated steering wheel and then your cruise control. And then over here, you just have this to change where you want it to be on the dash right there. This vehicle does have the Bose Sound System. If we take a look on the outside, it is black. It does have little step tubes right there. It does have passive entry on the front and rear doors. What that is this chrome piece on the door handle. You can lock and unlock the vehicle by clicking that button if you have the key fob with you. This vehicle does have the X31 off-road package. I don't have the remote on me, but it does have the spray and bed liner and then the standard tailgate. This is what the back seat looks like. It does have a little storage compartment in the back of the seat, and also you can pull the seat up, and then that has your spare tire stuff in case you blow a flat tire. That is all I have on this Sierra. If you have any other questions, please just give us a call or visit our website at gomeyermotors.com. Thanks for watching.